this lesson, we're going to look at several formulas with a circle. We're going to look at circumference, arc length, area, and area of sectors. First off, let's look at circumference and arc length of circles. The circumference is the distance around a circle. The formulas you can use are circumference equals 2 pi r or circumference equals pi times diameter. These formulas will be provided for you, but here's a little jingle to help you remember. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Write this down. There's two types of answers that I may ask you for. For sometimes I'll ask you to round, sometimes round to the tenths, hundredths, or even to the nearest whole number. Anytime I'm asking you to round, you're going to use the pi button in your calculator and always toggle your answer. Anytime I want an exact answer, you're still going to use the pi button, but you will not toggle your answer. Write these examples down and go ahead and try to find the answer. Keep in mind I wanted the exact circumference, so notice the pi is still listed in the answer. Copy these examples down and try to work them out. This time we're rounding to the nearest tenths. Copy this down. The arc length of a circle is a part of the circumference. It's the distance along the curved line making the arc. Since it's a part of the circumference, notice this formula uses circumference and then a fraction of the circle. Make sure you copy this down and highlight it. Copy this example down. We're going to find the measure of that arc. So it's just circumference with a fraction of the circle, that's 70 over 360. We're rounding to the nearest hundredth, so you need to type everything in and toggle if necessary. Copy this example down. This time I want you to find the exact arc length. We want to make sure that pi is still in the answer, so no toggling. This is a follow-up question to the previous one. What happens to the arc length if the radius were to be doubled? So looking at your answer that you had before, instead of having a 5, what if we doubled that? And if we halved it? Alright, let's move on to area of circles. Area of circles is the amount of space that is occupied within the inside of the circle. Area is equal to pi radius squared. Find the exact area when radius is 29 and diameter is 44. Notice that pi is still in your answer because this is an exact answer. Copy these examples down and go ahead and try to work them out. Area of a sector is a region bounded by two radii of the circle and their intercepted arc. You can kind of think of it like a slice of pie. Notice that the angle is a central angle. Copy this formula down. This formula is similar to the area of a circle. Since it's a portion of the area, we have to use a fraction of the circle. Copy this example down. Copy this example down. Pause the video and see if you can work out the answer before I reveal it. Making sure that you find the exact area of the sector. For this last one, you can kind of think of like taking a slice of pizza but cutting the crust off. This is called the area of a minor segment. So we have to break it down into two shapes that we can find the area of. Just recently we learned how to do the area of a sector, and we're going to take out the area of the triangle. So substitute in what you know, and then use your calculator to do small parts of this at a time, and then subtract. This problem didn't tell us what to round to.